Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a Kia Sorento gas tank. Pull the interior fuel door release near the driver's seat and walk to the rear. If no interior release exists, press the exterior edge of the fuel door to pop it open. Unscrew the fuel cap counterclockwise until it clicks and set it aside. Replace the cap by turning until it clicks and close the fuel door securely. In this video, I will explain how to use the interior release to access the fuel tank. Sit in the driver's seat and locate the plastic lever near the left footwell or lower dash. Give the lever a single, firm pull and listen for the subtle pop at the rear. Exit the vehicle and gently open the fuel door to expose the cap, then proceed to unscrew the cap counterclockwise. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides and tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight and won't spill in your trunk or cup holder, perfect for road trips while fueling up. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set quickly. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you open a Kia Sorento gas tank using the exterior release or manual methods. Press the fuel door edge with moderate force if your model supports push to open. If the door resists, use a soft prying tool to avoid scratching paint and work slowly. For models with a trunk-mounted emergency release, consult the owner manual location and pull the cable to free the door safely and carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.